Matanuska Glacier. I hope I'm saying that right. It's not an easy word to say. The English place name Matanuska derives from a Russian term spelled in various ways, including Matanuska, and I'll put these up on the screen. These meanings mean Copper River people, perhaps referring to an implied route from Cook Inlet to the Copper River. The Matanuska is an active glacier that advances at least 1 foot per day. Per day? Wow. The ice takes approximately 250 years to form up glaciers and advance to the terminus. The ice of an active glacier always moves forward due to gravity, like water in a river. The ice will flow down the valley. The Matanuska Glacier is a large ice flow, 24 miles long and 4 miles wide at the terminus, averaging approximately 2 miles in width. This glacier is a valley glacier. It exists in a valley floor. The majority of glaciers in Alaska today are smaller alpine glaciers which hang off mountain slopes. You can no longer hike the Matanuska Glacier without a guide. Important information on this is, as of June 2022, access to the glacier is only available by guided tour. Prices are $65 for residents and $150 for non-residents, and that includes children. For more information, check out the Matanuska Glacier Adventures website.
Well, this glacier, y'all, we've been following it around the highway going south, and we got to this point here, and that's Lion Head right there, and I guess that's where the Lion Head Trail is that we're going to take. But isn't that an awesome view?
It's gorgeous. This is why this little place is called Glacier View. Awesome.
Okay, we stopped for a break, and sometimes when you stop for a break at a pull-off, you just don't know what you're going to find. And right here's where they drop the rafters off. You can do rafting from here, down this river here, and it goes into the bigger river over there. Wow, what a spot, huh? We came down here to check out where the raft drop was, and then we run into all this camping area down here. Really nice. Pretty clean, too. You just don't never know.
Big fire pit right there. Somebody made themselves a little teepee. Probably had kids. Listen to that water, though. I love the water.
You may need a four-wheel drive, though.
Well, yeah. And look at the rock wall. Is this amazing or what? It just goes and goes and goes. Beautiful. Here comes some rafters now.
You gonna put what on, Daryl?
Happy 4th!
Happy 4th of July! Yeah!